You can unscrew the knob from the top of the drain stopper, or there might be a set screw underneath the stopper. Now I'm coming in with a 1/4-inch drive ratchet wrench to unscrew the stopper. Oh, be careful not to chip or scratch your bathtub. I've got some needle nose vice grips and a crescent wrench to unscrew the drain base. If you guys want to purchase a lift and turn bathtub drain kit from Amazon, I have a link in the description below the video. This plumber's putty is 15 years old and it's all dried out and crumbly. Alright, now let's clean up this mess and scrape off where the plumber's putty was connected. Here I've got my old garage towels. You can use a pocket knife or a razor blade, or maybe some sort of plastic, or like an old credit card. Don't use a steel wire brush because it will scratch the surface. Now coming in with some plumber's putty. I've got this listed in the description below the video. This is very pliable and it will seal the drain base really well. You can roll it in your hands. Make sure you have at least 3/4 of an inch or 2 centimeters. You can use a little extra if you want. Wrap around the drain base. Don't use multiple layers. Use one layer only. Oh, look at that debris. Let's clean this up. Okay, this will squish out when you screw it down. I'm using duck-billed pliers here. Make sure you don't scratch or mar the surface. Now let's pull up the plumber's putty and roll it up in a little ball. Coming in with the stopper, and we can screw this in. This one's a lift and turn stopper. Then clean up the mess, and look how beautiful this stopper is. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, you guys. It really helps support my channel.